guys, it's Zoe and welcome back to another new video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my evening routine in quarantine. This is going to be super relaxed and chatty, so I hope you like that because that's what I definitely like to do. I just finished working out, so that's why I'm looking like this. I did a shreddy workout and I also went on the bike. I'm actually doing a video of all of my workouts for a week, so that will be coming in the future, probably after this video. So my evenings usually start around like 5:45, 6ish, which is when I stop doing my homework and I go and work out. Today I pushed it back just a tiny bit more and I worked out at like 6:30 just because I was doing some reading, and I finished doing that while I was on the bike because it's like a stationary bike like in my house. I usually spend like 40 minutes to an hour doing a workout, and then I usually hang out for a little bit downstairs, just hanging out with my parents more often than not. Now, since I'm still like gross and sweaty and I haven't eaten dinner yet, I'm gonna go ahead and shower. I'm now done in the shower. I didn't wash my hair. I only wash my hair like every couple of days or so. Now I'm going to put stuff on my face. This simple foaming cleanser, and then every couple of days I will use this smoothing facial scrub. When I'm at the shower I will use this smoothing facial toner, and then finally I just use the hydrating light moisturizer. So by this point in the day, my room is pretty messy, so I'm just going to take a couple minutes right now and pick up all the clothes on the floor and put away all of my school stuff. Okay, I started cleaning up like a little bit. I still have some school stuff that needs to be put away, but my parents just called me down for dinner, so I'm gonna go eat that. So I just took out my contacts and put on my glasses. We just finished having dinner actually probably like an hour ago, but we always like sit and watch some episodes of Friends together, my whole family, and then just like listen to music for a while, which is always just very nice and chilled out and relaxing. So I have been keeping a journal since like my sophomore year of high school, but I've recently like kind of fallen off the bandwagon and like not done it since getting home from college. So I think that I'm gonna actually sit and write in my journal because I have been trying to force myself back into that habit. It's like a good way to really just like dump your emotions and your thoughts, like all those thoughts that like you don't necessarily want to talk about, but like you want to get them out and like onto paper, and I feel like that's a really good place to put them. So I'm just gonna sit and I'm gonna do a page in my journal, and then I'm probably gonna read and then watch my TV show. I have been watching Once Upon a Time, and I used to really like that show, but I never really knew what was going on because I started watching it like in the 3rd or 4th season. So I've been watching it from the beginning and I actually really like it. So it is about 10 past 11 now. I've just been reading my book. I'm currently reading The Ride of a Lifetime by Robert Iger, who was the CEO of Disney up until like earlier this year. It's a really good book. I'm not usually one to like read memoirs or like real books, like non-fiction books, like of my own accord, but I actually really like this book. Like he's a really good writer, and also I love Disney, so like I like reading like how all that business stuff happened. I find it super interesting. And now I'm just gonna sit and I'm gonna watch Once Upon a Time, just like an episode. I know you're supposed to like read right before you go to bed and like not look at a screen, but oh well. Actually wait, before I watch that I'm gonna go brush my teeth and put in my retainer and like actually get ready for bed, like in terms of like that, so I don't have to get out of bed again. And then right before I go to sleep, I always listen to a meditation by Headspace, and I will do their meditation, and I always try to like stay awake for it because it used to send me to sleep, but then I was like, wait, if I'm actually doing a meditation like mindfulness, I think like the whole point is to like stay awake or else you're not doing it all that well. But it clears my head right before I go to sleep, so like once it's done and I do like let myself like sleep. I'm already like very relaxed, and they also have some really good like sleep casts and sleep meditation that I will do sometimes if I'm having trouble falling asleep. This is the end of my night routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!